Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, is Fidelity Investment regulated by financial authorities? The simple answer is yes, Fidelity Investments is regulated by financial authorities. This is a crucial aspect of the financial industry, as it ensures investor protection and market integrity. In the United States, Fidelity's various operations are overseen by several key regulatory bodies. The primary regulator for brokerage services is the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This agency is responsible for protecting investors, maintaining fair and orderly markets, and facilitating capital formation. Additionally, Fidelity is regulated by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA. FINRA is a non-governmental organization that acts as a self-regulatory body for all broker-dealers in the United States. It creates and enforces rules for its member firms to ensure fair and ethical practices. For its operations in other countries, Fidelity is subject to the regulations of the local financial authorities. For example, in the UK, it is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA. The regulation of a company like Fidelity is not just about a single agency. It's a network of different bodies, both governmental and self-regulatory, working to maintain a safe and transparent environment for investors. This multi-layered oversight helps to ensure that financial firms adhere to strict standards of conduct, including proper disclosure of information, managing conflicts of interest, and handling customer assets responsibly. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.